Today we're doing an epoxy cure-to-place pipe inside of a 4-inch cast iron pipe that has met its useful life. We started this job by using a Spartan Explorer camera to video inspect that line to determine that it had failed. The second thing that we've done here is we've gone back to open the floor at this facility, a small, probably 4 foot, 5 foot by 2 foot hole that's about 2.5 foot deep. Okay? What we're going to do from that particular point is we're going to use a coat system to clean that pipe, get all of the scale physically out of that cast iron pipe, and then we're going to go in and take our measurements for our cured in place liner.
The reason that we're going to line this pipe rather than excavate and replace the entire pipe is this was originally a slaughterhouse. And the floors were built as one layer of concrete, 5 inches thick, then a layer of insulation, and then another layer of concrete. So to excavate this entire floor would be a monumental task.
So we're going to start with measuring out our lining material, our 4-inch liner, felt back liner, and then we're going to measure out our cowl tube as well, along with our pull strap to retrieve that cowl tube once the liner is cured. Once we've measured out the liner to the exact length that we need it to be for the cast iron pipe, we're going to take that back to our roller tables inside of our trailer. What we're going to do then is we're going to remove that air from that liner. What that does is that helps out in the wetting out process when we're actually embedding our epoxy into that liner. Inside of our trailer, we're going to calculate exactly what it takes to have the right amount of epoxy for that particular amount of footage of liner. Once we've got those two parts together, we're going to pour them into the lining material and then embed that epoxy into the lining material. So we're going to use our inversion tank as well, our permaliner inversion tank, to insert that liner in that 4-inch cast iron pipe. Once that process is done, we'll come back and we'll insert our calibration tube along with pull strap to retrieve that cowl tube and then start the curing process.
So now that we've got our liner and our cowl tube in the host pipe, the original pipe that we're relining, we're going to introduce hot water to that. We're going to fill that calibration tube full of about 180-degree hot water and circulate that to kick off that thermal plastic and turn it from a liquid to a solid. When we're finished with that, we'll cool it down, pull the bladder back out, cut off the end of the pipe. We'll have a brand new pipe inside the old cast iron line.
So the process here is going to take about an 8-hour day. That's with opening the floor, descaling the pipe, and then inserting the liner and curing it. This process is going to save this company a tremendous amount of downtime because it's 100 feet of pipe going through many different walls inside of this facility. We're also going to be able to save the pipe from having to be dug up at any type of reinstatements by using our DAN cutter or our IMS cutters.